Today's recipe is mincemeat bran muffins. We're going to mix our eggs with some sugar, and some oil, and we're going to stir that till that's all mixed together. Then we're going to be adding that we've already soaked our bran, all bran, with our milk. And we'll add that to our eggs. And we'll stir that until that's all incorporated. Now this recipe is going to make 12 regular size muffins on the larger side and 6 muffin tops. If you don't have a muffin top tin, you can make regular muffins. Now we're going to mix our baking soda into our flour with our baking powder and our salt. Stir that up till it's all mixed together, and then we're going to gradually add some of the flour mixture to our wet mixture and stir that. Now if you don't have mincemeat, you can always just add raisins or just leave it as regular bran muffins, adding some more flour. And we're going to keep doing this until all our flour is mixed in. These also will make great mini muffins if you have a mini muffin tin as well. Stirring in that flour, and it's okay if it's not all completely incorporated because we'll be adding our mincemeat and our raisins, and that will incorporate our flour. Now we'll add in our mincemeat. What's nice about adding the mincemeat is that it has all our spices incorporated, so it makes a nice flavor in these bran muffins. And then we'll add our raisins. And then we'll get our pans and we'll fill them up. So here is our muffin top pan. We'll just fill these up. And now we'll get our regular muffin tin. And we'll fill these up. These will go in a 350-degree oven for around 17 minutes. Let them cool for about 5 minutes before you transfer to a wire rack. Enjoy! Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.